ang aming manicure area for the hands with the light. Ayan po. With the light po yan.
Binuksan pa talaga ang
Siyempre.
ilaw.
Oh. Kulot-kulutan. Kulot-kulutan kami, guys. Close open, guys. Ito ang aming area. Sitting pretty. Today, finish all customers. That's that. Tomorrow, I have event to Dubai because of my OBA business. Yeah, my OBA business is have a module 7. Tomorrow we will graduate on module 7 and have gala night and Jera, Dubai. Next, susunod na rin yan, oh. Susunod na rin yan sa
Susunod na
OBA.
Flying high to the level.